14th consensus algorithm. So far, I have explained the composition of each block of the blockchain. From this class in three classes, I will explain the system called consensus algorithm, that the agreement of full participants is obtained and the regular transactions by a trader is not performed, even though there is no central administrator who monitors fraud in the blockchain. Since there is no central administrator, it is necessary to decide the rules in advance, and each node monitors each other to prevent and control fraud. Although detailed explanation is omitted here, there are two kinds of blockchains, public chain and private chain. In the former public chain, anyone can participate freely by setting up a node, but in the latter private chain, you can only participate with a node with permission. Now we deal with public chain used for Bitcoin and so on. Perhaps you can imagine because anyone can join in the public chain, there is a possibility that a malicious traitor may participate. Furthermore, since anyone can participate, it is difficult to grasp how many nodes participate in one blockchain as a whole. What measures are often used when you decide something with multiple people? I think that there's a majority decision as a means to be used where. However, since we know how many people are involved in majority vote, we can do it. In other words, we cannot adopt majority vote in public chain, so we need to introduce other agreement measures. Then, in the blockchain, consensus algorithm is introduced. The system for maintaining the blockchain by agreement of each node by eliminating the possibility that the traitor will appear in the environment where the central administrator is absent is called consensus algorithm. The consensus algorithm is a system for acquiring consensus and managing by each node participating in the blockchain as literally. The consensus algorithm introduced in the blockchain is called proof of work, and what is expected in the future as the alternative of proof of work is called proof of stake. I will explain these two in next two classes.